Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Accord Mortise account. Go to your Chrome or Edge browser and go to google.com. In the Google search bar, search for Accord Mortise. Click on the first link which appears, or you can simply click on the login button which is over here. So simply click on the login and it will lead you to the page of Accord Mortises. Wait for a while as the internet service provider and the internet might take some time. What you need to do now is enter your username or your customer name or your customer number itself. After you do that, click on Remember Me and then press Continue. And after that, it will ask you a password. Go ahead and enter the password, press Continue, and then you can log in to your Accord Mortises account. If you don't have Accord Mortises account, you can simply click on Register, which is right here on the right of your screen. It will lead you to the registration page of Accord Mortises. You can click on Accept all of all the cookies. You can choose if you are a broker or a customer. So if you are a customer, click on Existing Customer and you can see the login and register account. Click on Register and click on Register Now. It will lead you to another page where you can write down your first name, your account number, press Continue, and after that, Accord Mortises will give you a verification code after you enter your email. You can write down the password, your personal details, and register to Accord Mortises very easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Accord Mortises account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.